Welcome to the MyOTC Degree Audit and Planning tutorial. To begin, use your internet browser to navigate to my.otc.edu. Click the orange button in the center of the page to log in using your OTC username and password. Select the three horizontal white bars on the top of the vertical gray bar to the left of the page to expand the navigation menu. Select the down-facing arrow to the right of Academics and again to the right of Student Planning to expand the navigation menu. Select Degree Audit. You should see your current academic program, GPA, and catalog year. Please see an academic advisor to discuss your progress towards degree completion. Your degree audit may be broken into categories which can include general education courses, program courses, or elective courses. It is important to read the text that corresponds with each requirement on your degree audit. This text will explain which course or courses will meet the requirements of your certificate or degree. An elective is a requirement that allows you to choose from a number of optional subjects or courses in a curriculum. Elective options can be program-specific and will often include a list of course options. To view other programs, select the View a Different Program button and select the bubble next to the degree program you'd like to view. Select View Program to see how your current academic progress meets the degree's requirements. The degree audit lists your options for satisfying a degree or certificate requirement. If you have never taken the course and don't have it planned in MyOTC, then the status will show as Not Started in red. If there is a course that satisfies a degree requirement and you have it planned in MyOTC, then the status will show as Planned in yellow. If there is a course you are registered for, the status will show as Registered in yellow before the class starts, and as In Progress in green after the class starts. Completed courses will show the status as Completed in green. From the degree audit, you can search for courses, plan courses, and register for courses. When planning for courses, pay attention to requisites, credit hours, location, meeting times, instructor ratings, and the seats available for a section. You can use the filter in the course search to help narrow results and find sections that match your criteria. Click View Available Sections after narrowing your search results for a course to list sections. Click Add Section to Plan after finding the section that works for you. Now you've planned the section and can see that in your degree audit. The next step is to register or waitlist for the course. For further information on planning and registration, please watch our MyOTC Planning tutorial, MyOTC Registration tutorial, MyOTC Waitlisting tutorial, and MyOTC Drop or Withdrawal tutorial. Thank you for watching the MyOTC Degree Audit and Planning tutorial.